Hello. In this video we're going to talk about rearranging equations. I'm going to go through a set of graded examples for you.
V equals IR, and we have to make I the subject. I is multiplied by R, so to undo this we need to divide by R. The result is V over R equals I, or in other words, I equals V over R. V equals U plus AT, and we're going to make U the subject. U has AT added onto it, and we need to subtract the AT from both sides. As a result, we get V minus AT equals U, or in other words, U equals V minus AT. Same formula, V equals U plus AT, but we're trying to make T the subject this time. T is multiplied by A, and then U is added on. So the first thing we have to do is to subtract U from both sides, giving us V minus U equals AT. T is still multiplied by A, so we must now divide both sides by A. And we get V minus U over A equals T. Or in other words, T equals V minus U over A. E equals mc squared to make C the subject. C is squared, then multiplied by m. So first we need to divide both sides by m to get E over m equals C squared. C is still squared, and to undo a square you need to square root. This means we get the square root of E over m equals C. Or in other words, C equals the square root of E over m. T equals 2 pi square root L over G, and we're trying to make L the subject. L is divided by G and square rooted, and then multiplied by 2 pi. First thing to do is to divide by 2 pi. That gives us T over 2 pi equals the square root of L over G. Now L is divided by G and square rooted. The opposite of square rooting is squaring. So we need to square both sides. That gives us T over 2 pi squared equals L over G. L is still divided by G, so we need to multiply both sides by G. And this gives us the answer. Last one. Notice with this one, we're trying to make U the subject, but the U and V appear mixed up together. It's a fraction, so we multiply both sides by the denominator to get F brackets U plus V equals UV. Still we've got the U's and V's muddled up. We multiply out this bracket on the left to get FU plus FV equals UV. Then we shift all the terms to the left-hand side. We're trying to make U the subject, so it would be the next step to get just the U terms on the left-hand side. So I've removed the FV term to the right to give us FU minus UV equals minus FV. The next move is quite clever. We take U out as a factor of the left-hand side to give us U brackets F minus V equals minus FV. And that gives us u equals minus fv over brackets f minus v.
Well, I hope you found that helpful. Goodbye for now.